I'm here with some fun ideas on things to do with your little ones on your next resort day at the Walt Disney World Resort. We love to spend time at the resorts because there's so much to do. You'll find a daily schedule posted in the lobby or near the pool, and it's going to offer a variety of changing activities. But you'll always find a themed pool that is perfect for families with a kiddie area where the little ones can play. You can get moving outside of the pool at a Disney Family Wellness activity, where fitness and fun are going to come together in Disney-themed dance classes, scavenger hunts, and more. I'm here at the Disney Art of Animation Activity Center, where little ones can do arts and crafts, like Mickey tie-dye. It's going to bring their imagination to life and also become a great souvenir to take home. You'll also enjoy the complimentary family poolside activities, a nightly Disney film at Movies Under the Stars, and the can't-miss toasted marshmallows at the campfire. There's a Mickey S'mores kit available for purchase, so you'll want to bring the wipes. For more questions about planning your vacation with little ones, visit us at planDisney.com.